Guess what we're doing today? Yeah. Well, we're doing a non-alcoholic version of a Jungle Bird. That's right, this is another episode of Mocktail Mondays. I think it's important for mixologists, professional, and home enthusiasts to know how to make mocktails, because not everyone drinks, but everyone's there to have a good time. So if you're unfamiliar with a Jungle Bird, it's a tiki drink that uses Campari. Obviously, Campari is very bitter, so we need to recreate that somehow in our mocktail. And we're going to be using these little bottles of Italian red bitter soda. These things are fantastic. They're red. They have the same flavor profile as Campari. They're bitter, obviously. They're not as bitter. There's still a sweetness to it, and there's some fizziness to it. Alright, so we also have our fruit juices. Don't forget to check out my regular alcoholic Jungle Bird video. You can click that card there. And let's get going. So we're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice into the mixing glass. After that, we're going to do half an ounce of orange juice. This is one of my favorite mocktail recipes because it's not overly sweet. A lot of mocktails tend to be overly sweet because you substitute the alcohol for fruit juices. So we're going to do next up an ounce of lime juice. So this one, not overly sweet because we're using that little bitter soda at the end. It's great. Okay, so that's it for only 3 ingredients going to the main base. We're going to fill our mixing glass with ice. And then we're going to give it a good shake. We're looking to basically just chill here. Obviously, there's no alcohol, so we don't need dilution. Serving this in a fun tiki glass. And we're just going to do a straight dump with all our ice in there. Alright. After that, we're going to grab our little bottle of red soda, bitter soda. This stuff's really awesome. You can probably find them. They come in, there's like a bunch of different brands that make them. So the bottle's about 3 ounces. I'm going to do the whole bottle. And then we're going to top with more crushed ice. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of brands, different brands of that soda. I'm sure you can find it wherever you are. Okay, let's get a straw in our glass. We're going to garnish that with a nice mint bouquet. Bunch those together. Stick it right there in the corner. And then we're also going to give this a nice lime wheel. And this is a tiki drink. Put an umbrella in there. Go nuts. And there it is. There is your Virgin Jungle Bird. Just a fantastic mocktail. It's sweet, pineapple flavor, and then the contrast with that red, bitter soda. It's beautiful. It's really refreshing, and that little carbonation actually makes it kind of feel like there's alcohol in there. It's a really good drink. Hope you try it. We'll see you next time. Cheers.